Hi,
Hi, Uptown Swing, Level 1, Charleston, Week 1.
my name's Jeremy,
I'm Stacia.
and this week it was a blast.
It was a blast.
From the past.
Yeah, we taught Charleston from the bare basics. So we started with just moving by yourself. So we're going to turn around and remind you of some of the exercises that we did that you can do at home.
Leaders will do my footwork.
Followers, I'm going to start on the right, leaders on the left. And we're just going to start with touch, step, touch, step. If we can, we get a little bounce in here. Bounce, 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 bounce. Similarly, I'm going to hinge at the hips a little bit and not take my pelvis with me every time I go to the front. And then we're going to start to add in rock step.
Kick step.
Rock step, kick step, touch, step. Rock step, kick and kick step. You guys were looking great when we did that. Then we partnered up.
Yep.
So a reminder, leads put their hand on first, followers, we plopped our arm down. With gravity, we didn't do this thing.
Yep, and leaders is spread about the bottom of the shoulder blade.
And then we did the same thing we just did, but partnered up, and we got closer than you thought we needed to be. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, home. You want to turn to the
Back
side?
and forward, forward and back.
Yep.
Back and forward, forward and
back. You were nailing that. The one other thing we did in class today was we did a skip up. So we'll do like a basic, a skip up, and a basic, and that's what we did in class.
Cool. 5, 6, 7, and a basic. 3, 4. Ask for the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
You guys
7,
did great. Practice all of that, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.